Padmavati Junior College online classes. My name is E.M. Naidu, Principal of Padmavati Junior College and JL in Mathematics. Today, till the topic complex numbers. Definition of the square root of a complex number. The square root of complex number. To see if omega belongs to C such that omega square equal to Z, then omega is called a square root of a complex number Z. Now prove that square root of a plus ib equal to plus or minus x plus iy, where x is equal to square root of root a square plus b square plus a by 2 and y equal to square root of root a square plus b square minus a by 2. Proof. Square root a plus ib plus or minus x plus iy. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. That implies a plus ib equal to x square plus I square y square plus 2xyi, that equal a plus ib x square minus y square plus 2xyi. Comparing the imaginary part and the real part. That implies comparing the real part x square minus y square equal to a equal to x square minus y square. And 2xy equal to b. Now x square minus y square, x square plus y square whole square equal to x square minus y square whole square plus 4x square y square. So that is equal x square minus y square whole square 2xy whole square. So we know that x square minus y square equal to a. So that is equal to a square 2xy equal to b plus b square. So now that implies x square plus y square equal to square root of a square plus b square equal to root 2 a square plus b square. Equation 1, x square minus y square equal to a. Equation 2. These two adding the equation 1 and 2. that implies 2x square plus y square, x square minus y square, root 2 a square plus b square plus a. That implies 2x square equal to root 2 a square plus b square plus a, implies x square equal to square root of a square plus b square plus a by 2 is equal to square root a square plus b square plus a whole by 2. Now equation 1 minus equation to subtraction these two equations, then that implies x square plus y square minus of x square minus y square root 2 a square plus b square minus a. Now that implies 2y square, because minus x square plus x square is cancelled, y square plus y square 2y square, that is equal to root 2 a square plus b square minus a, implies in similar way y equal to y square equal to root 2 a square plus b square minus a by 2, implies y equal to square root of root 2 a square plus b square minus a whole by 2. Therefore, the square root a plus ib equal to plus or minus x plus iy, that is equal to plus or minus square root of, what is the x value, root 2 a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I square root of root 2 a square plus b square minus a whole by 2. That is the square root of the complex number a plus ib. Now note, the square root of a minus the complex number root a minus ib, that is equal to plus or minus. In similar way, square root of root a square plus b square plus a whole by 2 minus I root 2 a square plus b square square root minus a whole by 2. In similar way, that is the proof of the square root of complex number root a plus ib. Now example, find the square root of minus 5, find the square root of minus 5 plus 12i. Solution, root 2 minus 5 plus 12i, comparing the root 2 a plus ib. So where a equal to minus 5, b equal to 12. Now what is the square root of a plus ib formula? Root a plus ib, that equal to plus or minus square root a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I square root a square plus b square minus a whole by 2. It is the formula of the square root of the complex number. So that is equal square root of, so substitute the value of a equal to minus 5 and b equal to 12. minus 5 square 25, 12 square 144 plus a equal minus 5 whole by 2 plus I square root of a square root 25 plus 144 minus a plus a minus minus plus whole by 2 that equal to plus or minus square root 169 minus 5 by 2 plus square root 169 plus 5 by 2. So, what is the value of the square root of 169? 13 plus or minus square root 13 minus 5 by 2 plus I square root 13 plus 5 by 2. 13 minus 5, 8. 8 by 2, so root 4 plus or minus root 4 plus I. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 by 2, 9. Root 9. So, that equal plus or minus 2 plus 3i, that is the square root of. So, that is equal root 2 minus 5 plus 12i. The square root is plus or minus 2 plus 3i. That is the example problem. Square root 7 plus 24i, that equal to root 2 a plus ib. Let. So, where a equal to 7, b equal to 24. Now, we find root a square plus b square. Seven square, 24 square, that is 49, 576, 6, 25, that is 25. First we find. Now, square root of 7 plus 24i formula. Square root a square plus b square plus a whole by 2 plus I square root a square plus b square minus a whole by 2. So, that is equal plus or minus square root a square plus b square. What is the value of root a square plus b square? 25. 25 plus a plus 7 whole by 2 plus I into square root 25 minus 7 by 2, that equal to plus or minus root 32 by 2, 16, root 16 plus I 18 by 2, root 9, that equal to plus or minus 4 plus 3i, that is the square root of 7 plus 24i. One minus I whole cube, 1 plus I in the form of a plus ib, in the form of a plus ib. Okay, it is very simple. Solution: 1 minus I whole cube multiply with m 1 plus I, It is 1 minus I whole square. Solution. Let the given complex number z is equal to 7 plus 24i. The multiplication inverse of the complex number z is z inverse. The multiplication to inverse of z is z inverse, that is equal to 1 by z. So that is 1 by 7 plus 24i. Now we apply the rationalizing. 7 plus 24i multiplying with 7 minus 24i numerator by denominator. 7 minus 24i. So that is, it is the rationalizing applying. 7 minus 24i by some 49 minus 576i square. 7 minus 24i 49 plus 576. 7 minus 24i by 625. So that is, real part is 7 by 625 minus 24 by 625i. It is the inverse, the multiplication inverse of the given complex number 7 by 625 minus 24 by 625i. Now next problem, example. If 4x plus I into 3x minus y equal to 3 minus 6i, find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. A very simple problem. Given that 4x plus 3x minus y equal to 3 minus 6i. Now compare the real comparing the real and imaginary parts. Okay. Then 4x equal to 3. So the real part is 4x, the real part is 3, and the imaginary part is 3x minus y, the imaginary part is minus 6. Okay. 4x equal to 3 implies x equal to 3 by 4. We substitute the x value in another equation. 3x minus y equal to minus 6 implies 3 by 4 minus y equal minus 6. Now 9 by 4 minus y equal to minus 6 implies y equal to 9 by 4 plus 6. 9 plus 24 by 4, that is 33 by 4. Therefore, x equal to 3 by 4 and y equal to 33 by 4. That is the required values of x and y. Now, if another example, if z equal to 2 minus 3i then so that z square minus 4z plus 13 equal to 0. Okay. Solution. It is given that z equal to 2 minus 3i implies z minus 2 equal to minus 3i. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides implies z minus 2 whole square equal to minus 3i whole square, 9i square. Z square minus 4z plus 4 equal to minus 9. That implies z square minus 4z plus 13 equal to 0. That is the required answer.